Hello everyone, welcome to Musical Engineer. I hope you are doing absolutely amazing. So in this video, I'll be explaining you how to apply to CGI from its official website. So as you can see, this is the official website of CGI, that is www.cgi.com. So if you open this website, you can see this page, and if you go to this career section, you will come to this page. So for applying for any positions of CGI, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go to search jobs. So it will go to another screen. So once it opens, you need to search for the particular job you're searching, your desired job. You can also search, suppose, Java developer, and you should add the city that you require. So you can also search it according to your desired job title and also the city. So it will show you many results, like these are the results that you get of your desired search. So these are the options. Suppose if you have to apply for any positions, suppose this is the position ID, and what you need to do is you need to click on this position ID that you want to apply. So once you click here, it will open this page, and you need to go to this section. As you are already logged in, if you already log in with your own profile, so what you need to do is you need to if you find any CGI member, and if you are connected with any CGI member, or you know in any personally, or in any professional platform, so you can always go and ask any member for their reference mail ID. So if you have that, then you can go with this yes, and also put, suppose you put the ID of the candidate of CGI who is already working in CGI, and you need to do check this box, I agree, and apply here. So once you click on this apply now button, what it will do is it will go and search for this resume. So if you delete this, I have already applied for one position, if you can see. So if you can also add your resume from here. So if this is your resume, you can add this, and also select your file type, that is resume. Check this box, add document. Now after attaching this document, you can see it will open another page. So as you can see, this is your document. Once you apply here, so it will go here. You need to save and continue. So as you can see, your application has already been submitted successfully. This is the way once you create your profile in CGI website. So you can easily, if you have got the reference mail ID of any CGI employee, so you can add that, and also apply for any positions, any number of positions you can apply like this. And as you can see, your application has already been submitted successfully. So you need to connect to that particular person whose reference mail ID you have added, and ask him to approve from his side, like what he thinks about you, and also so that he gives a good feedback of yours, so that you get a good preference from the HR team. And if your resume is selected, if they like your resume, they can call for the interview. So all the best, keep applying for positions, and keep connecting people from CGI. All the best. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video as much as possible, because people always search for these career opportunities, and so get stuck how to apply. So this is the video that I have made, so that people find easier to apply for positions in CGI. So all the best. Bye bye.